My task is I'm going to ask you something. You are going to say, but your answer should not be yes or no. ମୁଁ କିଛି ପଚାରିବି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣ answer yes କିମ୍ବା no ରେ ଦେବେନି. Your answer is not going to be yes or no. It can be anything else. या भी हबनी. If you say yes or no, you are out of the game. Okay? 3 people. Let's see which team is winning. Ready? I'm going to ask you something. Your answer should not be yes or no or yeah. But you need to answer. You can't nod your head. You need to speak. କହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. But a yes, no or else yeah. Well, you are out. Ready? Have you taken lunch? Yes.
Yes, sir. I have taken.
Yeah.
Out.
Ow. My.
Yes.
Ready? 2 people. So, do you like veg? Yes.
I like veg.
Yes. Okay. Really? Really? Do you like your mom? Yes.
I like my mom.
Oh. Do you like mutton? No.
I like mutton.
Oh, really? You like mutton? But I don't think you like chicken, isn't it?
I don't like chicken.
Oh, I don't like. Do you like talking with your sister? Your sister is very bad, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Is she very bad?
Yes.
Yes, she is very bad.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, she is bad. No, she's
Yes.
not bad.
Yes.
No.
She's not.
Oh, she is not. I think she is. Yes, she is. Do you like your father?
I like my father.
Okay. Do you like your mom? No.
I like my mom.
Okay. Do you like Trump? No, I don't think. Yes. No.
I don't like.
Really? You don't like Trump?
Really.
I think you like Kim Jong. Kim Jong is quite friendly with you, I feel. Isn't it? Yes.
I like.
Yes.
I
Yes.
like.
Okay. Ready? Ready for the exercise?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay. The game is. So come close, come close, come close, come close. Okay. The task is you are not going to say yes or no. हमें yes or no नहीं बोलेंगे आप. Ready?
Sir, no bother the country.
That is your job. That is the game. That is the game. That is the game. Ready? Are you ready? Bharti? Yeah, yes, no. 3 things you should not say. Okay? Ready? Ready? Are you ready? Oh, yeah, ready. Okay. Do you like chicken? No.
I like.
Oh, like. Do you like your father? I don't think you like your father.
Yeah, I like. Yeah, I like father.
Are you like your father?
Yeah, I like father.
Do you like your brother? She's very bad. He's very bad, isn't it? No? Yes?
I like brother.
Oh, like brother? Okay. Do you like Bihar? Bihar is
I
very.
like Bihar.
Oh, like Jharkhand is very good, isn't it? Yes? Lalu is very nice. Yes, yes.
I like. Yeah.
Okay, Lalu, I like. Do you like chocolates? Yes,
I
yes. Yes, chocolate is very nice, isn't it? How often do you eat chocolate? Daily or every day you eat chocolate?
Daily, every
Every day. Every day you eat chocolate. Which chocolate do you eat every day?
summer.
5-star, Kit Kat, which one? Or Dairy Milk?
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Oh, yes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes dark chocolate, sometimes all the chocolates also. Do you like ping pong chocolate?
I
Polo
like.
chocolate? Yes.
I like.
Yes, you like. Do you like eating momos? Momos is very
Don't
tasty. You don't like momos? No? No, you don't like momos? You don't like? Wow, really beautifully. She's talking very nicely. She's fighting hard. Okay, thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Ready? Yes. 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 Are you pregnant? No. Over. You are out. You are out.
Sir, जबरदस्त.
That is the game. That is the game.
जबरदस्त.
This is a funny game. Ready? Okay, last boy. He's fine. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Do you like chicken? No, I don't
I
think.
do.
Oh, really? You like chicken? Do you like your father? No.
I do.
So, whom do you like most? Your father or mother?
Mother.
Mother. Mother is very good. Or father is very bad.
Mother is very good.
But father is not good.
Father is also good.
Also, but he is not that much good. Yes.
Yes.
Good. Second person, who is going to? Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Yes?
Yes, yes, I ready. Yes, I ready.
That's the
Yes,
game.
I ready.
Again.
Okay. You need to speak.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Alright.
Ready? Okay. Are you enjoying?
I will.
Okay. Do you love this class?
As compared to our previous class, I also enjoyed this class.
Okay. Do you love the talking, the activity, the speaking session? Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
always-
Yes.
I
Yes.
always
Yes.
enjoy
Yes.
this class.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes.
But you don't like Trump. No, Trump is a very bad guy, isn't he? He's
Most
Trump.
probably I don't like Trump.
Trump, you don't like Trump, but you like Trump's wife.
So that
No, I don't like. No, I don't like.
Do you like chocolates? No or yes? Yes. No. Over.
Game over.
Do you like paneer? Yes.
I like paneer.
Okay, but you don't like mutton. No.
I like mutton.
Sometimes you eat chicken also. I saw you eating, isn't it? Yes. On that day you were eating chicken. Yes.
Yeah, I like chicken.
Okay. Do you like that momos? Sometimes yes. Sometimes
I like chicken. Oh, sorry, I like momos.
yes. Really? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Do you like your mom or father?
Both.
Both. Both are very good. Yes. Do you like your grandmom? She's very
I
bad.
like my grandma.
You like your grandmom? Do you like King Jong? No, I don't.
like ninja.
You don't like. And do you like mushroom masala? Yes. Yes, it's very tasty.
I like mussels.
Oh, okay, he's doing nicely. Yeah, thank you. Good. Next, who is left out? Ganna Babu left out. Rohit, yes. Come. Oh, you want to join? He wants to join. Adjust the camera, ma'am. Adjust the camera. Rohit Babu, ready? Yes, Rohit. No nodding heads. You need to speak. Okay, ready?
I'm ready, sir.
Yes. Yes, ready?
I'm ready.
Yes.
I will Jabardast.
No. Okay. So are you enjoying the class today?
I do.
Yeah. So it's really interesting when you're speaking. Do you like your father?
I do.
I do. Do you like eating chicken, mutton, or fish? What is?
I like both.
Both things. Do you like ice cream? Hot weather? Sometimes you like, isn't it? Yes.
I like
Yes. Sometimes. How often do you eat ice cream?
once in a week.
Once in a every week you eat. Yes.
I do.
Okay. Do you watch movies? Play PUBG?
I do.
Sometimes or every day you play. Every day you play. Yes. I was saying yes. Yes. Are you pregnant?
I'm not.
Okay, thank you. Now Ganna is there. Ganna, ready?
I am ready.
Oh, you are ready. I thought you are not ready. And do you like talking to him? No, he's not good here. He's not looking smart, isn't it? Yes.
I like.
Oh, you like. And do you like drinking water?
I
Juice? You don't like? Do you like mineral water?
Obviously.
Obviously, soda and cold drinks, Sprite. Yes. Both you like. Do you like chocolate shake? Isn't it? Yes.
I like.
Oh, you like chocolate shake and biryani? You don't like biryani. I don't
Also
know.
like.
Also, do you like chocolate? Which chocolate do you like?
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk. Do you like eat every day? Yes. Yes. Yes, you eat every day, isn't it? Yes.
I don't.
You don't. But do you eat every Sunday?
I don't.
You don't eat every Sunday, or when do you eat?
In Monday.
Only Monday you eat. Other days you don't eat. No. You are saying lie. You are saying lie. Yes. Yes, you are saying lie.
No, I don't.
Out. but he was doing good. Ready? Ready? No, you need to speak. No, not here. You need to speak. Ready? Yes. No, you need to speak. He's not speaking.
Sir, out, not out.
Are you ready? Are you ready to speak?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. I am ready to speak.
Oh, I am ready to sing. I am ready to speak. And do you like chocolate? Yes or no?
I am like chocolate.
I like chocolate. And do you like your father? No,
I
father is
like
not.
my father.
Yes. Do you like your mom? Yes. Yes. Yes.
My mom.
Okay. Do you eat? Which chocolate do you eat?
I eat.
Polo chocolate. Kit Kat.
I eat
Dairy Milk.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Do you like Kit Kat? Yes. Yes.
I like Kit Kat.
Yes. He's playing very actively. Thank you so much. Good. Good. Yes. Hey. Yes. He left out. Hi. बच गया सर में. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
Three people.
Are you ready?
Sir, three people.
Ready?
Ready, sir.
Do you like chocolate?
I like.
Yes. Do you
Sir,
like
three
your father?
peoples.
I like.
Do you have a girlfriend? Yes.
I don't.
Do you have? I heard you have multiple girls connections here. Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Do you talk to lots of girls at night? Yes.
Not, sir, I'm not.
Your mobile is always engaged at night. Yes. Yes, it is engaged.
Of course not, sir.
Of course not. I saw it is engaged, and you're busy. I was calling yesterday. It was busy. Yes.
It is
You're
live,
not
sir.
talking to anyone. No.
Of course not, sir.
Of course not. I think yes, you are talking, and your father was complaining about you that you are always busy.
It is lie, sir.
It is lie. Are you are saying lie? Yes, you are saying lie.
Of course not, sir.
Yes, you are saying lie.
Of course not.
Yes.
Of course not.
Ready? Yes, no, both he told me. Open. Thank you so much. So, okay, we are going to have the last final activity of speaking. Each of you are going to come here, and I'll give you 30 seconds. Now you are going to say a sentence using the structure have to. What is have to? Have to means mate କରିବାକୁ पड़िबो. For example, have to. करना पड़ेगा. have to.
କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ.
କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ. For example, sir, I have my final exam tomorrow. I have to go. See my expression.
I have to go. I not attend.
Sir, I have not taken food in the morning, so I feel very hungry. I have to leave this class, sir. Understood? Yeah, come here. Try. Sir, I have my exam, I have my interview, or I have my final exam. You can try. Okay, he wants to try. Come here. Come here. Come. Try, please. Have to. Try. Yes! Tiger is back.
Sir, I have classes. I have my classes at 7 o'clock. I want to leave my leave. I want to leave. I have to leave. I have to leave now.
Sir, my class is at 7. And sir, I have to leave. मतलब थोड़ा serious नहीं. Sir, I have my class at 7. And I have to leave, sir. Once again.
Sir, I have my class 7. I have to leave.
I have my class at 7. I have to leave.
I have my class. I have to leave.
I have my class at 7. I have to leave.
I have my class at 7. I have to leave. I have to leave. I have to leave.
Once again.
I have my class at 7. I have to leave.
तो बता दिया यार पढ़ना पड़ेगा जैसे natural. Sir, I have my class at 7 and I have to leave.
Sir, I have my class tomorrow. I have to leave now for going to my class. Why you leave now?
Okay, but see, excitement नहीं. Put it down. Abhi so. Sir, I have my class at 7
I have my class at 7.
and I have to leave
I have to leave
right now.
right now. Sir, I have my class at 7. I have to leave right now.
Beautiful. हाँ, come, अंकित बाबू.
One sentence.
अरे ठीक है 1 2 3 बोलो, doesn't matter. See, अंडरस्टूड द क्लास इंटरेस्टिंग बट क्या हो रहा है इधर डरटा छाड़ू आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग भय छाड़ू यू आर ओवरकमिंग दैट फोबिया ऑफ टॉकिंग फियर ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग लोगों को देखले डर मारे यस
So my friend is in hospital. I have to leave now.
थोड़ा इमोशनल सर एक्चुअली माई फ्रेंड इज इन द हॉस्पिटल सर आई लीव नाउ सर अभी जाना पड़ेगा सर आई हैव टू लीव नाउ
Sir, my friend is in hospital. I have to leave now.
एक्चुअली देयर इज अनदर एक्सप्रेशन जितने कहब कि मैंने फॉर एग्जांपल सर सडनली आई गॉट ए कॉल राइट नाउ somebody called me and I have to leave to hospital right now. Whenever you say suddenly I got a call and I have to leave, rather than saying I have to, we say I got to leave.
Emergency.
I got to emergency I got to I got to leave because this is emergency. मैंने हठात धटिकिना कॉल आसला मतलब सांगे सांगे जीवा पड़ो सर I suddenly got a call sir I can't stay here sir I got to leave. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Have to means sir actually I have not taken anything sir I feel very hungry sir I have to go and take something. Have to is a natural action, got to is nahi now. Have to is a regular action but got to माने एब्बे जीवा को पड़ियो now got to.
So today is a fair. I have to leave now.
Sir, today is a beautiful fair in Janta Maidan and sir actually I have to leave. I want to go there so I have to leave. Once again.
Sir, today is a very good fair in Janta Maidan. I have to leave now.
तो थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा फ्लाट हो रहा है तरह मतलब पूरा सीधा ही जाऊँगी मैंने इमोशनटा आसवा बुझी पड़छु मैंने कहूँ ठीक बट व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग ना दैट इमोशन नीड्स टू बी देयर इन योर कनेक्ट हो बट थैंक यू गुड वेरी नाइस नेक्स्ट हु वांट्स टू ट्राई हाँ अरे आई एम आस्किंग गाइस जॉइन हाँ मु कहीकि जीवि ना हाँ
Sir, actually, tomorrow is my friend's birthday, so I have to go. Sorry, sir.
अभी बोलना टुडे इज माय फ्रेंड्स बर्थडे
Sir, today is my friend's marriage, so I have to go for preparation.
गुड हाँ आजा मम्मी हॉस्पिटल जाओ व्हाट टाइम इज इट नाउ 7 हाँ यू टॉक हो गया 10 मिनट है
Sir, so mane.
हाँ यू से एंड गो
Sir, my mom in a hospital. So I have to leave now.
आई गॉट टू लीव
Sir, I got to leave now.
गुड
Can I leave, sir?
हाँ मे आई लीव गुड हाँ यस
Actually, there is a meeting in my office at 8 p.m. So I have to go in 7 p.m.
सो आई हैव टू गो एट 7 सर
I have to.
एक साथ बोलो आई हैव टू गो एट 7
I have to go at 7.
ब्यूटीफुल गुड तो प्रैक्टिकल हो रहता है इमोशन इज कनेक्टेड हाँ
Sir, I didn't attend the today class, so I have to go to the college tomorrow.
न्यू कंफ्यूजिंग क्या सेंटेंस बोलना चाहते हो
सर मैंने आज क्लास करनी थी तो काली मते बाध्य क्लास करिए पड़िबो.
सर आई हैव नॉट टेकन एनी क्लास टुडे सो आई हैव टू जॉइन माय क्लास टुमारो
Sir, I have not taken any class today, so I have to go to the college tomorrow.
हाँ जा हाँ आओ एक के बाद आई एम आस्किंग यू टू कम
Sir, I have to complete my homework.
सर tomorrow is my final day to submit all my assignments lots of pending is there sir I have to complete everything by today sir lots of assignment is pending in my school and I have to complete it today sir हाँ कोशिश कर
Sir,
हाथ तो खोलो, हाथ तो
sir,
हाथ
I have many pending work. I have to complete my assignments.
मतलब भाव मुंह पे बोल रहे यार अंदर अंदर हाथ दिल पे ले बुझी पड़छू ना माने अंदर से नहीं आ रहे तेरा मुंह पे आ रहे आई वांट यू टू टॉक फ्रॉम योर हार्ट Sir, lots of pending work for tomorrow, sir. I have to leave right now. Sir, lots of pending work. I have to do everything today. कोशिश कर.
Sir, sir, I have many lots of pending work.
Lots बोल नहीं तो many बोल, एक बोल. हाँ.
Sir, I have many pending works. So I will leave.
I have to go.
I have to go my home to complete the
पूरा अच्छी
assignments.
तरह बोलना. I have to go to my home. I have to go home to complete everything.
Sir, I have many pending works, so
I have to.
I have to go my home.
हो रहा है. Understood क्या gap हो रहा है? मतलब sentence you know but emotions so. Next person.
Sir.
बोल दे.
I feel very tired. I have to leave.
Leave. दिल की बात बोल दिया. पर अच्छा लगा. Enjoyed. Today class is different. हाँ.
Today is my exam class, so I not attend the class. I have to go quick.
Once again.
Bye.
Once again. Bye. Once again. Start.
Today is my tuition exam, so I have
So
to.
today is my tuition exam and I have to go.
Simple.
बोल के जा.
Today is my tuition exam, so I have to go.
बड़ा अच्छा लगा. हाँ.
Sir, tomorrow is my final exam, so I have to go.
हाँ. ब्यूटीफुल. मेरा क्या हो रहा है यार? संस्था जे उड़ा के रखे हैं. हाँ. भाई भाई. हाँ कहो.
Sir, I am going to a party, so I
have to go.
So I have to go.
Sir, I have a party,
Sir, we have a party.
so I have to go now.
So I have to go now.
Once again.
Sir, I have a party. I have to go now.
बस अच्छा है. ब्यूटीफुल. नेक्स्ट पर्सन.
So tomorrow is my interview, so I have to leave right.
वाह. ब्यूटीफुल. अरे मस्त. ऑसम. रियल. मजा लगा. बड़ा लगे. गुड.
Tomorrow is my brother's marriage. I have to go.
चलो लग रहा है तुझे स्पीच बोल रहे हो उसको. थोड़ा हाथ खोल. सर टुमारो इज माय ब्रदर्स मैरिज. अरे थोड़ा खुशी हो. तेरा भाई का शादी है जैसे बोल रहे हैं कि भाई. सर टुमारो इज माय ब्रदर्स एग्जाम सो आई हैव टू गो. हाँ. हाँ.
Tomorrow is my brother's marriage. I have to go.
थोड़ा फीलिंग कर. सर टुमारो इज माय ब्रदर्स मैरिज आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
Tomorrow is my brother's marriage. I have to go now.
फीलिंग्स नहीं आ रहे यार. फीलिंग आ जाए हीरोइन. देख.
Sir, tomorrow is class. I'm going now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to go now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to go now.
वंस अगेन.
Tomorrow is class. I have to go now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to no. I have to go now.
वंस अगेन.
Tomorrow is class. I have to go now.
सर टुमारो इज क्लास. आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
Tomorrow is class. I have to go now.
एक साथ बोल. टुमारो इज क्लास. आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
Tomorrow is class. I have to go now.
तू बही जाऊँ मझे कहीं. एका बेले कह. आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have go to now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to go now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to go now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to go now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to go now.
आई हैव टू गो नाउ.
I have to go now.
वंस अगेन.
Tomorrow class. I have to go now.
मजा आ गया. गुड. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल द व्यूअर्स. यू वॉच्ड इट. लव यू गाइस. बाय बाय. मैम क्लोज.